friends, welcome to Rushkeshwar channel. So after a long time we have met again. So now let us continue the last video's topic as we completed last video 7 bits. So now we are going to continue from there. So let's start. So first I'll read the heading. What's the heading is express 36 as a sum of two odd primes. So what are two odd prime means? We know prime numbers. If you don't know, you can search in the last video. So means what are prime numbers means which have only single digit as a factor. So in that odd prime numbers means, so we know the single digit as number is prime number. So what is odd prime number is if the given prime number is odd, then it's called as odd prime number. Okay, so here we need to express 36 as sum of two odd primes. So here they have gave that. So for 36, what are the two sums? Two odd prime numbers. So let us check one by one of the sum of each prime number. So let's check that. So we can take 17 and 19. Let's take the sum. 17 and 19 are both odd prime numbers only. So that's why I am taking 7 plus 9, 16. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So we got 36. So therefore 17 and 19 are the numbers. So these are the numbers which we have got on this 38. So now these two we have got the numbers. So if you do these two numbers and small notation, if you take those two numbers also, there should be odd and there should be must prime. Okay. So next, 9th bit. Okay. Let's see the heading. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. So here we need to write consecutive composite numbers. So what are the consecutive composite numbers? So once let's see a look at it. So consecutive numbers. So what are the consecutive numbers means the numbers which are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and others and number itself also. So those are consecutive numbers, and with that composite numbers means you know already. I told in the last video. If you want to see again, you can see in the last video. So what are the consecutive numbers below 100 they are asking. So we need, in that also we need to write only 7 consecutive numbers. So in that so many consecutive numbers are there. So in that we can write, okay, the consecutive composite numbers are, so the consecutive numbers what are below 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, etc., etc., etc. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So these are the numbers. So for the, we wrote about consecutive composite numbers. What are they? 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So you can have a doubt. From 90s, how we can get the numbers? So here we can use the divisibility rules for easy checking. So here 0 is there. Also divisibility rule of 2. In the ones place, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In these 5 numbers, any one should be. Anything. So here 0 is there. So it's divisible by 2. Next, divisibility rule of 3, sum of 3 numbers. Sum of the given numbers, sorry. 9 plus 0 equals to 9 only. So 3 3s are 9, it's going. Next, what's the divisibility rule of 4? The last two digits should be multiplied in the fourth table. So here there are only 2 digits, so we can't multiply. What is the fifth divisibility rule? 1 plus 0 or 5 should be, it's there. What's the sixth divisibility rule? If 2 and 3 is divisible by it, then 6 is also automatically divisible. So 90 is divisible. Next, what's the seventh divisibility rule? It should be must divisible by that, or else no, it should not divisible. So what's the divisibility rule of 8? Same. So it's not divisible. So means the sum of means we should multiply the last 2 digits for the divisibility rule of 8. So next, what's the divisibility rule of 9? It should same as the divisibility rule of 3, sum of the given numbers. 9 plus 0 equals to 9 only. So 9 ones are 9. Next, what's the divisibility rule of 10? Here 0 is there. So in 10 divisibility rule, in one's place it should be 0. So for that 0 is there here. So for everything it's divisible, right? So like that we can check everything with divisibility rules. So make a note of it, or you can take screenshot. Wait a minute. Hope you all completed this. So I am rubbing the board. Okay. Next 10th bit. Okay. 10th bit. Express 53 as the sum of 3 primes. So we need to do 53 as 3 parts of prime numbers. So let us do that. So for that I am taking the prime numbers. Those are also 3 prime numbers. So for 53, so let us do the sum of 3 numbers, 13, 17 and 23. 13 plus 17 plus 23. So 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 53. So therefore the numbers are 13, 17, 23. Okay. Next, 11th bit. So next, the 11th bit is express 53 as a sum of 3 prime numbers. So they have done this. So next, 11th one, write 2 prime numbers whose difference is 10. So here we have did 10. So here we have did the addition, and in 11th bit we have to do the subtraction. So let's do it. So for 10, what are the difference of 3 odd numbers? Sorry, of 3 odd prime numbers. So for them, I am taking 10 equals to 13 minus 3. Okay. So for this also we can do very easy calculation. So for 3 and 3, we should do subtraction. So if we do subtraction also, we will do like this only, no? So like that. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So 10. 3 minus 3 is 0, 1. So 10 it will come. So this is the number of 10. Okay. Next, 12th bit. So with this 12th bit, the exercise 2 is done. Write 3 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. So we need to write the 2 pairs, we need to write the 3 pairs of prime numbers, but they should divisible by 5. Okay. So let's do that 2 pairs. So mainly, for example, not for example directly. So for first is 5. So 2 plus 3 is a 5. So 2 is a prime number and 3 is also a prime number because they have 1 and number itself only. So let us go with 2 and 3. These two are the numbers. Next, 5 2s are 10, right? 7 plus 3 it will come. So 7 has 1 and number itself, and 3 has also 1 and number itself. So 7. Next, next 20, 15. So for 15, 13 plus 12. No. It will go in third table, fourth table, so it will not come. So directly we will go to 20. Yeah, 17 plus 20 it will come. 17 plus 20. 17 plus 13. It will come 20. Okay. So with this, we have completed our exercise 3.2 now. So once make a note or take the screen. So friends, with this I am ending this video, but don't miss to subscribe, like and share my video. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe share and like my channel. Okay friends, bye. Have a nice day.